Hey, what's up guys, it's me Cam. Today I'm going to be unboxing this cool looking puzzle. This is a Geobender. It's pretty much a magnetic shape-shifting puzzle. So let's get into it. Alright, so I think this is the opening. Alright, we got that open. These are probably just some instructions. Let's just put that to the side. And let's take the actual puzzle out of the box. And there we go. Alright, this pattern looks really cool. Yeah, I like this. Let's open it. Oh, there we go. Oh, alright, cool. We got a star pattern. This is really nice. So this is some bees. And we got the plant pattern that we saw before. And we got some flowers. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I think this is a pretty awesome puzzle, and I definitely recommend this for the collection. One thing I like about this cube, other than the patterns, is the turning. I really like how it can turn in different directions. Anyways, that's the end of this video. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.